Well, now just one more thing. We had a story in our 4 p.m. news the other day about typewriters, and the gist of the story was that there are people who have never seen a typewriter, much less used one, and that reminded me of a traveling exhibit of typewriters that the museums at Mississippi State had on display several years ago. Thought you might like to see them. Just jumping in anywhere, here's the typewriter Ernest Hemingway used to extract The Old Man in the Sea, A Farewell to Arms, The Sun Also Rises, just for starters. Ray Bradbury must have spent most of his life at this keyboard turning out his library of work. Use your imagination and try to think what John Lennon was imagining when he wrote Imagine on this typewriter. Tom Hanks used this one, Tennessee Williams used this one, Maya Angelou freed many a verse and much prose from the keys of the typewriter upon which she discovered why the caged bird sings. We don't need typewriters today. We have computers, have had them for decades. You see these typewriters that were used to shape literature and culture, though, and the first thing that strikes me is there are just the same 26 letters of the alphabet on them that we all have access to. That's all these folks needed to turn out masterpieces. And they only had the same 24 hours in a day that we do. Time management may be the difference, or the difference may be they just sat down and did it. Now, while the typewriters in the display were for looking at only, MSU did pull an old machine out of storage so people could get the feel of it. Ah, yes, I remember them well. And I also remember why I like my laptop a whole lot better.